Tuesday.
Monday.
Monday.
Monday, yes.
Well, I guess it depends din sa, no, sa condition ni FG by that time, no? I don't know.
Like comments of the
I will be chided for ignorance of the social calendar. But Monday, so that's less than a week from now. Well, hopefully, no, the first gentleman will be well enough by then for the press either to be discharged from the hospital or else for the president to be a little more flexible, no, sa kanyang mga travel plans. But as I said, that seems to be the driving constraint sa kanyang schedules. I believe today, like, wala na naman siya official schedule today, no, because of the obligations of the time. So, again, we have to wait on the continuing progress of the first gentleman.
Alvin Seherov, IBC